What's the deal, gang? How you guys doing? How's everyone? Welcome back, everybody. My apologies, I slept right through my alarm today. I slept through all my alarms today. I got a phone one, I got a kid one, I got 2 kid ones. You slept right through this short also? Yeah, I wouldn't have taken a short anywhere here. Nope, not a single place I would have taken the short. You needed the rest. I still need the rest. I'm not rested. Pulled my shoulder blade yesterday. I don't know how. Yesterday was chest day. I don't know. I think I pulled it on flies, on like incline flies. That's when I felt it. I was doing the incline fly. I think I went too heavy. I went too far back. My shoulder blade killing me. I do them with dumbbells. I do them with 35s, 40s. '15's closing here. Got 5 minutes for this 15 to close. Bullish 4 hour on gold, huh? There's 2 hour. Interesting. It's a 100 pip drop here. Yeah, we're gonna look for a top wick entry here on the next 15 candle. I don't really care if there's not much of a bottom wick. I do and I don't, but if there's no bottom wick, I'll trade it to the bottom wick. Lock in here. We got 40 seconds to go. We might have positions here in 40 seconds. I need, as long as there's a little bit of a bottom wick. Or as long as we push through heavy. Damn. Might be a sooner entry than I thought. Don't want one off here. Might be a 26.5 entry here. Right there. So just took an entry right here, 26.25.9. 625.9. And I will take another entry right here, taking a sell right where we are, 26.26.7. Strong 50, over 100 pips on the last 15. $100 pip rip down. I would expect some kind of retest of the lows or a flip on this candle. Got 4 positions open here. Looking for this candle to flip down. I'll start managing risk once it flips down. Looking for the flip. Give me the flip, and we shall close. Alright, gang, I'm going to close right here for 24 pips combined. I just closed right here, 24 pips. Just having a hard time breaking that low. Heavy push on the last one. So, on the flip here, the flip would have gave me 35 pips. Right? That would have closed right here, but I closed full at 24. Right? A little sooner than the flip. We will look for more. Great entries there. Great sniper entries there. Whoa. See right here. This would have been 50 pips. 24 pips. W. Congratulations. I don't get why you don't let this trade ride more. This is the close of the hourly candle. I want to leave a bottom wick, and if we leave a bottom wick, remember I said I'm taking this to the flip because I'm going to expect if we hold at the flip a little bit, typically it'll come back up, create a steeper wick, and that's our hourly bottom wick, and then we'll get entries up here, right? If this was taken off the 5 and the 15. If this was taken based on the hourly, we're probably holding this based on the fact that we got the tip of the wick entry there. So W, win 368, 24 pips. Why did the 15-minute candle have had almost no bottom wick was not an issue? Because we drove down over 100 pips. So what was going to happen here, even if the 15 doesn't leave range, we're going to retest the lows of wherever that 15 is. So if there's enough room to come down and retest those lows, we're safe to take it, right? And it did leave, it left some kind of bottom wick. It's there. So congrats, 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 congrats. 24 pips. Let's mark that off. It's not bad. I got to sleep in. Start off with a nice W. Win number 368. That's 54 wins in a row. I don't even know what to tell you guys. We're at 54 straight wins. Good, let it push. It's the hourly's closing here. Look at the 1 hour candle. It's got to pull back. We need this to pull back. You have two options, go to sleep or smoke a joint. I like the alternative to sleep in that case. I'm bringing out the Holy J. Shit, let me step outside. Chad, I cooked some mean ass steak yesterday. I cooked one of the best fillet mignons I've ever had yesterday. Just the flavor. Just the flavor. It's too early to not let the neighbors know I'm smoking. Fix and cook? Yeah, that fillet mignon was delicious. I remember when I first got to your stream, I had $200 account risking 0.2. Now my account's at 17,000, and I risk 0.1 per position. That's incredible. That is freaking incredible. God damn it! I wish I could say I'm proud of you, but I'm not proud of you. We're not, like, I don't know you. We're not family. I had no invested interest in it. I'm really happy for you. You don't want me to be proud of you because that would be a fake proud. But I'm really, really happy. Can't say I'm proud of you because I probably wouldn't recognize you on the street if I saw you, right? Weird to be proud of somebody you can't even recognize. Yeah. Brosov got 17K secured. Incredible. Yeah, I'm very happy for him. This is good. This is good. Wow, look how we've dropped. Nice traffic, although it's Monday. Dude, we just fucking dropped 200 pips in a single hourly candle, 150 pips in an hourly candle the day before New Year's. Yeah, this shit's trying to get to where it's going. 100%. Whatever price it's looking for, shit, it might not bring a pullback. It might just continue down heavy. So, since we're here, let's figure this out. Oh wow, that 5 came right to that. It's gonna get interesting. I want some kind of bottom wick. Doesn't, like I said, doesn't have to be massive, but some kind. It's 3 minutes here for this hourly. We want entries above this yellow line. We're gonna look for sells. We want above it. We want closures below the yellow line, but we want the actual entry above the yellow line here. And if it starts coming up right now, we might, like if it pulls back heavy for 20, 30 pips, we'll get an entry before the closure. Yeah, XAU USD, the 4 hour doesn't look great. I would say that. You're right. But the hourly looks incredible. I think we'll make a bottom wick before the 4 hour decides to go another way. How did you get 24 pips? It's a combined of 4 positions. I had 4 positions for a combined 24 pips. So I was confused. Candle was clearly going lower and you closed way too early. I can't say that it's clearly going lower when we're at a support. It's not clearly going lower. There's a level that runs across here, and on the flip, once we flip over here, right, it is not clearly going lower because it didn't flip and drive like a slingshot like, you see right here? Like gold usually does, or XAU USD does. Maybe it's one of the nuances I got to get used to on actually on GC. But it flipped, it held, came up, flipped, held again for about, I don't know, 30 seconds. I closed it and then it dropped. So yeah, maybe it's a nuance I got to get used to, but it wasn't clearly going down. It closed at a support and it flipped into a support. That's why I said I was looking for the flip, rebreak of the lows, and that's it. That was my position. Had this previous candle closed down here, I would say, yeah, we got room to go till down here. Hindsight's 2020, right? Shoulda, woulda, coulda, but it's irrelevant now. No. Okay, I would like an entry, 2620.9. $2620.4, somewhere between there, between 2620.5 and .9. There we go. We just closed with no bottom wick, looking like ass and feet, completely disgusting. Yeah, let's see if we can come back up. Yeah, that's not a pretty closure. But that doesn't mean we can't take sells. We just, all it means is we're going to need this candle right now that's printing to leave a bottom wick. The market's just trying to go where it needs to go. Spoke about this yesterday. It just might just drive. We're only a few subs away from 26.6. Yeah, I think we're like 10 away. 5 or 10 subs away. Can 10 of you sub to the channel so we could get to 26.6K subs? We already got a W today. A 4 hour could come all the way back up. The GC1 4 hour, yeah. This could end up looking like a doji candle in an hour. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. This for now. This hourly's created a bottom wick here. Strong level across the board. You ever use sell, buy stops, limits? No. We used to. We used to. We no longer do. I am truly tired. I'm honestly, truly worn out. You still looking for sells in 10 pips? No, I'm going to let this print. The issue here, we closed right at a support, not with some room to go. I need this candle to most likely close. Right, so you know, I want to see some volume from a heavy level, right? So there's a few things we could see here. We either want this current candle to flip and do this, so we can finish it out here, or we want the current candle to come up and actually tap resistance, right? So come back up to these areas where the previous wicks were, anywhere in here, right? And once it comes up into that area, so it'll probably end up looking like, right, like this. If we can get a heavy bearish push off this area, what the fuck is that? If we at this point can get something like that, I'll look for another top wick entry to finish out the range. So we're gonna need not just an onion here, but a heavy push and an onion. You just wake? What you mean, Fintech? Yeah, I've been getting like 2 to 3 hours of sleep a night. You even go to work late? You even got to work late today? Yeah. Any other place, I would have been fired. Over here, I showed up late and made money. You're on 9 hours and feel great. How many kids you got, M. Thompson? I got enough kids to field a starting five and a practice squad. Well, depending on the sport, I can field the whole squad. Message from single. Massage from single. Does it matter to you if candles don't have wicks? Yes. As you can see, the previous candle doesn't have bottom wicks. That's why we're not in here on sells off a top wick. You think Don will be trading right now just without the camera on? Yes. I know he is. He hit me up yesterday. I was in the gym. I think I was supposed to call him back. I don't remember. Yeah, we didn't have a long conversation. I was in the gym. I was like, I'll hit you up later. Still not interested in wick entries. The wick right now is pretty small to reverse the whole drop. No, I need an indication of whether we're holding the support or we're breaking down. That's going to come in the form of either the break of the lows or a bullish closure. One of the two. Don should come onto your live sometime. He's going to hop on his own live. You don't need a guest appearance. He'll just pop up on his own live. Am I tripping or you have a different price? Is this because of funded account you're using? Are you tripping? I don't know. Do I have a different price? Yes. Is it because of funded account you're using? No. It is because I'm on futures. It's a live account, but it's futures. By the switch, my broker no longer accepts US clients. Tell Don if you see him. I'm not going to see him, but I talk to him. What do you do for fun after stream? Gym, and typically I'll make sure everything's running fine with the Airbnbs, and then I'll go out with my kids. Most of the time, I spend most of my days, like the majority of my days, just chilling with my kids, teaching them how to ride bikes, you know, going to the park with them. Do you consider looking at fundamentals and news? Yeah, I'm aware of news. We have none. We have none today. The prop firm you promote seems not very legit. They're as legit as possible. All you have to do is follow the rules. Every prop firm's got rules, and these guys are not disappearing like your other favorite props. There's deep pockets, so if you follow the rules, you will get paid. Do I own a supercar? No. Is that a 1 hour going to be a lower time frame for driving off resistance with the onion? It doesn't matter as long as the candle shows me volume. I'll need a heavy push off this area and a closure closer to the bottom of the range. Yeah, we're going to teach your kids how to trade if they want to, but hopefully not. Hopefully they never want to. So you don't have much contact? None? No, we talk on the phone every couple of weeks. That's about it. Do you still go to raves? What was the last rave you went to? The one I met my wife at. That was the last rave I've ever been to. $15 closing here in 30 seconds. This 15 has done nothing but drive straight up. I want to see your Airbnb online. What is the name of it? No. Oh shit. Renting this shit out just to meet me? If you find it, you find it. If we meet at my Airbnb, I never meet anybody there, but like I'm sure that if you know it's mine, you're gonna come down, you're gonna do some wild shit, so I have to go down there. Texting management. I need to speak to the owner. You got a lot of them Airbnbs right now? No, I have 3, but only 2 are running right now, and 1 is in the process of being sold. 1 is on the market for sale. Have a trading party in your Airbnb. That's what I'm afraid of. And I thought you watched Sonic. No, I didn't. Meet and greet. I think meet and greets are kind of like cringe. We can do like a meetup. Get to get meet and greet. It feels like you're meeting me and I have to sign autographs type shit. No. Just have a meetup where we can all chill, right? I'm not no celebrity. We don't have to do a meet and greet and with you guys standing in line. You live in Bali? Oh. The entrepreneur capital of the world. Everyone that lives in Bali does like arbitration and shit like that. You got a travel agent? Of course you do. Of course you do. because people need to get down there, right? That's what people in Bali do. They travel agency, real estate, or like content creation, or arbitration of traffic. Yeah, I'm down for like cannabis cup meetup, right? I'm down for like let's meet up and forget how to get back home. Are buys not interesting right now? No. No buys right now. Do you like gummies? Yeah. I like the samurai gummies. The Haribo. Haribo. I don't even know if they're Japanese. I don't know what they are. Haribo sounds like something a samurai would say. Haribo. Haribo. That's how they talk. They're German? Well, they sound fucking Japanese. Harigato. Haribo. Be like, do you want to fucking fight a gummy bear right now? What are you saying? Wix is smacked. No, that's what it sounds like to me. Wix is Wix. Oh, that's a cool name. Fundamental. Fundamental. The big fundamental. The big fu. Alright, no top wick on the closer. Maybe we come back down in range. Maybe we don't, but we gotta see it. Isn't it past the area? Why aren't we taking sells? We don't have a bottom wick. You mind sharing how the name Wix9 got to being? I needed a name. Wix9 seemed to fit. It was at that time where, like, you know, when I got that name, when like around 2020. I think 6ix9ine was still locked up. I don't even remember. Yeah, it was before he even came out and became like really big. Yeah, I was listening to a 6ix9ine song. I was like, man, I could go really ratchet here with Wix9, and it was just a play on words, and kind of stuck. Gucci Gang. I was listening to Goomba. Get your gun and get your get back. What's your go-to food spot? The kitchen. Usually. You fuck with 6ix9ine? Yeah, I like 6ix9ine. Think his music good? Yep. The best thing I can cook? Braised short ribs. That's like my crown meal. Oh yeah, with mash, for sure. You seen an alligator in the wild? Yeah, I've seen one in my yard. What are you talking about? It's my next door neighbor. There's gators all over the place. It's Florida. We live in a swamp. Are they hostile? If they're bigger than you, yeah. I never let my kids walk any edge of any lake in Florida, ever. Yo, where's this candle right here? How the fuck? Holy shit. It's 200 pip gap. That's fucking wild. It's crazy. It's not crazy. I mean, Florida is built on a swamp. The entire state is built on swampland. There's gators everywhere. Not gonna lie, I'm getting great at pan frying steak. That's one thing I've gotten away from. I stopped cooking steak on pans or flats. Or I cook pan. I cook my filet mignon on an open flame. So I do 2 heat zones. I do an open flame and I do no flame at all. And that's how I do it. Reverse sear. You don't need all that extra shit on a filet mignon. You want as little of you as possible on it. Like as little of you want to do as least as possible to it, right? Because you want the taste of the meat to seep through. Yeah, I do. Here's what I do. I season with salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, and thyme. That's all I do. Salt, pepper, garlic, rosemary, thyme. You leave it on for about an hour. And then you make sure the steak is room temperature. You never want a cold steak or frozen steak or a hot steak. It's got to be room temperature for at least an hour before you throw it on the grill. So I let it sit at room temperature after everything, and then I'll throw it on an open flame. Dry your steak? I never dry my steak. That's some shit you do to like a New York pizza. Dry all the grease off with a napkin. Which country has the best food, in your opinion? In my humble opinion, it's not even close. Like, it's not even close. The best food, the best cooks, by far, Uzbekistan. The Uzbeks have fucking figured shit out on another level. If you ever try Uzbeki food, grills, street food, anything, like, they've figured it out. Uzbeks make the best meat, the best shish kebabs. And you know what it is? Their best cooks are all men. They're not really, women don't really cook like the men do. The best cooks are men. Yep. That is a fact. There's no women in You mean Uzbekistan? Men are the best at everything except giving birth. Statistically, yeah. I'm on the border of Uzbekistan. Well, run across the border, get some rice pilaf, and run right back. I have one close to the gym here, and literally after the gym, I go there and one massive fucking portion of rice with lamb curry. Yeah, yeah. They make the best lamb. I love plav. Me too. You get some lamb plav. Well, that's how it should. It should all be lamb, but like people make beef, chicken plav. Like, it's not the same. What's the best strategy to trade using top one? Hold the trade for a minimum of 5 minutes. For now, that's the rule. I was recently in Azerbaijan. Food is amazing. Yeah, I mean, they all have that influence. They're all right in that same region, right? So. You said you're from Russia. We have people. I'm not from Russia. I'm from here. I was born in Ukraine, but I'm from here. I grew up in New York. I'm from Merca. So NYSE open here. Bullish closure on the 30. And I want to say, all right, this is a support, and it should flip bullish here. Like, this is a nice support to bounce up from. But the thing is, the hourly is telling us a different story, right? The hourly isn't creating a top wick for now. So I can't trade this just yet. This doesn't really necessarily have to come up and flip bullish. It could, and then we'll look on either on the next hourly or the 15 after for buys. But for now, the higher time frame is telling us a different story. The hourly is telling us that it's a top wick. Peruvian food? I like Peruvian food. Really good. Yeah, I get a lomo saltado every single time I go to a Peruvian spot. That's my go-to. Get some lomo saltado. My girl be getting like the fish ceviche. I always get a lomo saltado. How old are you? How young are you? Bro's making up words now. Hell yeah. We've been making up words. You think closion is a word? Are you live tomorrow? Are you doing another giveaway? Yes and yes. We'll go live tomorrow, gang. I'll be spending New Year's dolo. Who wants to join me? Who wants to come through? I'll be on my own for New Year's. I'll come to Florida. You won't be here by New Year's. You will not be here by New Year's. I know it. All right, we're pushing down here. $11 minutes for this hourly. Jeez. This is what we're talking about. We want a heavy push off that area, right? Not specifically off that line, just off this area in general. But the thing is, it's happened. It took 4 minutes for this to come down 100 pips here. Oh, I'm sorry, 40 pips. 50 pips. 58. Took only 4 minutes. So it might spend the next 20 riding up. I don't know. It might continue down here. But it needs, this is what we wanted, right? So if we get this kind of closure here, this is only a 5. Wait, hold on. We got a 5 closing. If this pulls up a little, the next 5 is going to need a bottom wick. We drew this out earlier. Remember, this is what we would need. A bounce off this area and a strong bounce, a heavy bounce. This is exactly what we needed. That closure is a bit tough. It's not what I needed. Thanks, I'm not a troll anymore. Okay. New year, new me? Yeah. But the same old bullshit. Hey Wix, I'm tuning in from India today. Hope you have a great new year. Awesome. The Barcelona trader is in India. What are you doing? Mario, are you looking for some tiki marsala? Make the best tiki. You know the language? Yeah, I fucking moonlighted as a 7-Eleven employee. Hell yeah, I know the language. They don't hire you unless you know the language. They don't hire you at 7-Eleven if you don't know the language. Bro, I saw you at Publix the other day. It's possible. I've been in like 8 Publix just running around. I feel like shit last few days. It's possible. Why don't you walk over, bro? Lewis lives probably like within like a half-hour drive of me, for sure. At which Publix? In Coral Springs or in Dania? LOL, I don't know what to say. What you mean? We said what up, and we would have took a picture for the gram. This man a sticky again. You were by Dania Point, so you probably saw me at the Dania Publix. Was I with my kids? Was I with my daughters? Because then that's cool. Yeah. But at least have the decency when I'm eating or feeding my daughter to not come and speak to me. Lewis did. Yeah, Eddie's within a half hour. I am? You are what? Whatever you say I am, exactly. I don't know, it's just the way I am. I met Louis. Louis, didn't we meet before? We met at the in person, right? Yeah, we met at Don's in person. I remember, bro. I got a picture of all of us. I got a picture where we're all smoking. It was me, you. It was the dude with the long beard, I think. I don't remember if he actually came to the beach. It was the dude, the really tall dude with the really tall girlfriend. And I think Locke was there too, right? Locke? Lost, Locke. Why I say Locke? Lost was there. Pretty sure. Com FX was there. Oh, you were at the meet and greet, not at the beach. You didn't get to the beach yet. Elvis was there. Hi, beautiful. That is a gorgeous dress. You look glamorous, mama. Look at you. Twirl, twirl, twirl. Wow, that is beautiful. High five. I love it. Down low. Too slow. Yeah, that was way too slow. You hit my light. All right, let's try it again. Up high, down low. Too slow. All right, high five. Down low. Oh, you got me. Now get out of here. I swear Elvis got fucked up. Yeah, Elvis did get fucked up. I am looking at the 15. We're on the 15 right now. Should break down first. I don't want to be in it before it breaks down because I have no guarantee it breaks down. It can pull back heavy here before breaking the lows, so I'd want it to break the lows first and then pull back up. One and four flip. Well, this four is just driving our four, yeah. One flipped here. $15, closing here in 20 seconds. $80 pip, 15-minute candle. Close right at it. Close right at our level. And it needs to break down here. It's got to come down here. If it doesn't, I can't take a trade here. Remember I said it yesterday, we close right at it. If it leaves us some range to here, or if it closes below and it has a bottom wick, we're taking it. But it goes right at it, it might just drive right off of it. Right, so gotta wait here. Zoom door, yes. Zoom user. Is that Zach Walker at the Zoom door? Okay, put a face to a name. Oh, Chicago PMI. Yeah. Bad news. We see it coming up initially. BRB? Okay, yeah, we'll wait for you, Raj. Wait for you. $12 minutes here for the 1 hour candle. Not a pretty 4 hour. That's why it's important here to wait for this to break, right? Because if it doesn't break, still reject. Like, even if it breaks, it can reject, but at least you'll get yourself a better entry after the break, understanding it cleared out these lows. Next support's down here. If you're taking entries at around 20 areas, you would be in good position. But for now, we never broke the lows yet, so we have to wait. $11 minutes here for this 1 hour close. We haven't gone anywhere in the last hour. This is the last hour right here, these candles. Side by side. Well, we had a great start to the morning, and it's been a lovely month so far. Lovely ending to a great quarter and an amazing year. Let's wait. We got some time here. I'm gonna step outside for a second, but don't worry, I got you guys in my hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole wide world in his hands. He's got the whole world in it. Yep, that's why they called me Worldwide. Worldwide Wix. www. Double U. Wix, how it comes you price is 26.20 and mine is 26.08. It comes me price on futures, and you come price on XAU USD. So our prices come differently. Right? If that makes sense. I don't know. I told you yesterday at least once a session. You were right. You were right. You think it's better to trade futures or XAU USD? I think for my situation, it's better to trade futures. Everybody's situation is different. Big Wix just wanted to know, is that you is messaging people? No, definitely not. I will never message you first. I'll never message you in general. I got no time. I got a hard enough time answering people. You think I'm gonna message you? It's for me to message you first, you had to have won something. And even then, I just replied to you letting me know that you won. I talk to people, like a lot of people ask me questions, or like we just have like, you know, just regular kind of like back and forth. But I'll never reach out to you like with business shit or asking for your business. If you're not sure, just DM me. But if you're getting those messages, just Report them and block. Report and block. Yeah, I've had people send me like nasty messages like, where the fuck is my money, scammer? I sent you. I was like, bro, you never sent me anything. No clue what the fuck you're talking about. Oh. If somebody pretending to be Wix sending out lollipops, stay away. Actually, that might actually be me. If they're giving you free shit and not asking for anything, it might be me. Do the lollipops taste like cannabis? It's an easy tell. It's an easy tell if it's me or not. Does a lollipop have like a small marijuana aftertaste? I think this is the easiest Wix 9 test you can have. Lollipop. Five O? Where? Put your seatbelt on. Damn. Where's the 5-0? I'm about to eat this J. Come on, Kenny. You can't be throwing us off. Like they said 5-0. I put my seatbelt on, bro. Everyone in the car just fucking took off or looking at their rear view mirror. Who's in the car right now looking at their rear view mirror? Which one of you actually pulled over? Oh, Fitty. I thought you meant 5-0. Like you standing on the lookout. Flip the tape? That means I gotta go back inside. Yeah. So the previous hour could have made a bottom come up, but no, it went straight down. This hourly, making the top come down? Nope, went straight up. Coinbase what? Aki? Achi? Coinbase Achi? Bless you. Do chlorine waterfish exist? Any fish people in here? I know there's saltwater fish and freshwater fish. Is there chlorine waterfish? I don't really use this pool, so if I just throw some fish in it, my kids would love it. No chlorine waterfish? Only dead chlorine waterfish? Carcass chlorine waterfish. You can have a saltwater pool. Yeah, I don't have a saltwater pool. I got a chlorine water pool. I'm not changing the pool for the fish. Is that a lake candle? No, a lake candle would have had to be like this, but bullish. If it looked like this, but it was green, that's a lake candle. Right? Flipping, not driving, wicks bigger than the body, not really a top wick. I used to drink pool water. People do that when they can't swim, and they dive in the deep end. Get a whole mouth full of water. This tells us nothing. We're at 50-50 here. We come up, we come down here. That previous hourly's told us nothing. It's told us nothing about where it's going, where the next candle's going, right? The key is to predict with really high probability the high volume candle, the candle that drives in your direction. And right now, that closure, the way that we've printed, does not get us any closer to being able to predict that. Oh, tape. That's right. We have to flip the tape. Yeah, it held on these two. Held on the 15. Held on the 5. But hasn't held. Hold on a second, Chad. It's a really indecisive 4-hour on futures here. Wow, just 200 pips worth of range. Yeah. Might smash through it though. Excuse me. We spoke about this yesterday in the Asian session. So with that closure, highly likely we're going to continue down here after a top wick. This was our Asian session though, right here, right? We ranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 hours straight it ranged. 11? Yeah, it's down here at 11. Asian was these two candles, that's it. So the way it looked on the 4 hour when we opened, it needed a bottom wick, didn't need a top wick. We might have traded as if we came up, but came down first. We're gonna need either a closure or a heavy break down below 17. Trying to see what we're mirroring here, and if we say last time that we came down from all the way up here, we came to here. This is the area we would have tapped across the board, and then headed down here, right there, and that brought you down to here. So if we go to our charts right now. This was the drive down, came down to here. We've had this tapped. I think it was like this. Yeah. And then it came down to here. So this was the tap right there. Yeah, I mean, next destination, 2607 areas. 100 pips down here. Maybe even more, 2605. Just if we're creating a mirror based on what happened previously when we came down from that area. Yeah, this should technically, if that's what we're mirroring, we should smash right through, but we'll get an answer on a closure below here or a break of the lows. There we go. Interesting. I'm gonna take a sell right here, right where we are, 2614.7. There. It blew past this and it tapped these wicks right here to the left, which I would expect to be strong enough to finish out the range down. If not, we'll look for a pineapple up here. Pineapple is 26.17.4 area. 26.17 area. I wonder how XAU USD looks. Oh yeah, looks good too. Yeah, if we pull back up to these wicks, 27.4, 2617.4, I'll look for another entry. No, it's a GC1 chart. You notice anything different with how candles print? Yeah, a bit different. Like even with our entries here, right, on gold, I think it might be, it would, on XAU USD, it might look a bit different. So we probably would have had a better entry. But, oh, right there. Chat closing full right here. Just closed full. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations. Made 29 pips. 29 pips. W. Who else loves trading? I love trading. I don't need to look for a fucking 100 pip runner. It's 50 pip runner, 80 pip runner. I'm just gonna be patient. I'm gonna grab my pips. Grab my for sure pips. See, how I look at it is the longer you're in a position, the more risk you're exposed to. The more trades you take, the more risk you're exposed to, right? The longer you sit on the charts, the more risk you're exposed to. Get my shit and I'm out. No stress, no risk. what did I want to see? I wanted to see an indication of volume, right? I wanted to break these lows. We smashed through these lows, and I look left. This is the only support that can give us an issue, but we smashed through it. So as soon as this can, before it even closes, as soon as it smashed down through here and pulled back, the price itself tapped these areas across the board. And once it tapped that area, once it came down, pulled back, that's why I took the entry, because when it's moving with a lot of volume, it refills the range without closing and giving you a top wick. It just does it immediately, and that's why I took it, expecting to retest the low wherever it is, whatever low it made. Incredible. Amazing trade. Amazing. And you're going to get a closure soon. Let's update the record. Three, 6, 9. To the window. To the wall. Don't you dare finish that. And you guys finished it. All right, so 15 looking lovely, but not the way it closed. Be careful with the closure here. Price kind of came down, retested the way it printed, but there's a support here that where the market just took off. That is a strong support right here. I want to be below it. You want to be below there. Because it could give you this top wick. It could flip right into this area and then come right back up. Wait, hold on a second. Kids running up to me, can we go outside? I'm like, ask mom. They're like, I'm like, what do you mean? She's like, no. Can I go outside? I was like, G? She's like, yeah, did you brush your teeth? No, go brush your teeth and then we'll talk. On Oanda, it's a bit different than yours. Just not much different. It's look at it. It looks pretty much the same here. This shit today Like if right here it was a bit different, right in this area, then today, right now, we're printing pretty much identical. Oh, and then this. The price itself is different, but the candles and the way it's moving, price action is the same. I made more on these two positions than on the previous four. One more pullback. I don't know. The area to close. This is a strong support. Work down here and start heading up. I want to break through that area. Just came back. What I miss? Another 20 to 30 pips. Will we see the new strategy in 2025? Probably, yeah. I'm not ready to trade it. We'll probably see it in 2025 once the market's back to normal. I think after the inauguration, I'll look to see how the news reacts to a new president. Wow, what a pullback here on the 30. This is lovely, but oh, I'm sorry, on the 15, but not off this level. It doesn't really need to come down because this is a strong area. Just drive straight up from here. See the drive straight up from here? Right from here. This is a strong support right here. So I want to smash right through it. If we don't smash through it, I mean, there's a chance we're coming up back into range. Yeah, we're gonna do a giveaway here today, by the way. Some of you guys dipped already. Well, if you commented on Saturday's reel, on Saturday's post, where I asked a question about the market, and there were some really good answers, some answers that I really enjoyed, but that's not going to be the deciding factor. I think the deciding factor will be the comment picker. So which one did we use last time? Does anybody remember? I don't remember which one we used last. Oh, here we go. I think it was WASP. So, you brush your teeth. I need you to wait a minute. I got to do a giveaway here, and then I'll come outside with you. Okay, close the door to my office, please. Okay. You still have a chance to go comment on that post. You still have a chance while I'm doing this. There's 134 comments. A lot of them are doubles though, so. Okay, it found 139 people. You guys might be commenting right now, but we're about to do this giveaway. So, here we go. Number of people attending the sweepstakes, 139. Minimum. All right, so we're going to do a first one. And then we'll do another one. Let's do two. All right, first one. 3, 2, 1. Hossam Hazem. This was the reel you were supposed to comment on. You still have time until I do the second giveaway. Hossam Hazem. See here. Hossam Hazem, you here, bro? Take a picture of that. That's 2 underscores, right? Hossam Hazem Muhammad. I knew that was your last name. Hey, DM me. DM me on Instagram with your full name, your email, and proof that you follow my IG and sub to the YouTube. Just probably a screenshot of each page. All right, so DM me on IG. We're going to do another. I might have to open up a, yeah, it only lets you do one. So hold on. Let me open up an incognito tab and we'll do another one. Hold on. What's going on here? Already flipping. Okay. Damn, it was 139 entries for the previous one. This one, 182 entries. All right, so 50 more of you commented. All right, let's go. Let's find the winner for the second one. The second 25K account. Winner is Sarkozy. 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 Congrats. Same thing. DM me on Instagram with your full name, your email, and proof that you follow my IG and sub to the channel. Sarkozy. Where's your sister? Where is she? She's on the iPad? Call her over here. Tell her dad wants to see her. And don't be mean to her. Just say I called her. She's not punished or anything. All right. Hold on. Hey, she's not telling you. Don't worry. You're not punished. I wanted to see if you want to come outside. That's it. You can go play. Call Kai over here. Call Kai. Tell her I called her too. Give her the iPad. Hey, no, Sammy gets to play right now. Sammy gets to. Ow. No, you don't need it right now. Otherwise, I won't go. No, I'm not going outside with you if you want to take your iPad. Looks make it sound like every time his daughter called the other one, he's gonna punish her. Yeah, she was. She came here like, why are you telling on me? Congrats, chat. Another 50 plus pip stream. W. And 2 completely new people got the win today. Won the 25K account. Hold on. Put your shoes on, and I think this door is open. Walk through the back, through the side, okay? If Jackson is there. If Jackson's not there, come back in, okay? I'll be there in about 5-10 minutes, okay? Can't believe I won. Really? So happy. Just DM me, bro. Congratulations. Cha-ching. Shout out to you. Bravo. All right, that's enough. What a great year. Chat, last day of the year tomorrow. Last day of the year. Am I gonna call it? I like this 30 closure. I just don't like the fact that we held here again. Right, the 15 had a chance, didn't break down. This should break down the way based on the way the candles are printing, but I can't disregard the level that we're printing at. So I say this is like 60, 40, 70, 30. This comes down, and then I would look for positions. I cannot disregard this. Right, this came down and then straight up, and we closed above it. Like, why would it close above it if it's breaking, right? You had this whole candle to close below it. Now if it closes below it, you'll probably see an hourly closure there. You know what? We might take this to the signal channel. Yeah, because then the hourly closure is in 27 minutes. We got to sit here for another 30, right? Another half hour. Let's, for what? We're going to just yap for a half hour. Who speaks Japanese? We did the giveaway. We got 2 winners of 2 25K accounts. Congratulations, guys. You got everyone else that showed up. We got over 50 pips for the session. Really just been great December. Yappa. Pass your major in Japanese. Nice. You trading tomorrow? Yeah, we'll trade tomorrow. We'll be here in the morning. We will be here in the morning, gang. It's December 31st. Who else does this? Let's see if we get a dub on New Year's. Shit. I'm gonna be home by myself anyway the whole day, so we might as well do like a 24-hour stream, right? I'm just kidding. Yeah, W to the giveaway winners. Celebrate New Year's on stream. Charts open, we trade, exactly. Hold on, is dumping? No, I'm gonna wait. This is gonna be in the signal channel. We're gonna look for the hourly closure in the signal channel. Oh, wait. Yeah. Gang. Before you dip, before you go, spam some motherfucking dubs for 55 or 50 plus pips on stream today. That's lovely. Lovely. Smash through there, huh? Yeah, amazing. Let's lock in for the hourly here in the signal channel. I'm gonna call it a session here. Call it a stream. The year's almost up. Thank you guys for showing up. We got over 50 pips on another stream. Another stream with over 50 pips. Incredible. I think we're at 55 straight wins right now. Yeah, 55 straight wins since our last loss, which was a month and 3 days ago. What a run. What a run to close out the year. I'll see you guys here tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. Hopefully I don't sleep through my alarm like I did today, but hey, no harm, no foul. We still made our pips. All right. Oh, you know what we haven't done yet today? Oh, man, we got to do the flex. Let's go, gang. Let's go. Yeah, boy. Right there. All right, get them buys going. Nick had the buy. Kenny missed out on the flex. Kenny, what happened? Let me get the there you go. Yeah. The buys. Blood flowing there. That's perfect. Awesome. All right, Zoom gang. Congrats. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse side. Signal channel. Lock in for the hourly closure. Mods, appreciate you guys for being here. My God's back in the building. He was stripping over the weekend with that fucking ugly sweater. I don't know. His girl made him take that picture. She forced you, I know it. That was really you. She made you get the perm. You had to post it too, huh? She was like, you gonna post that or what? Alright. He posted that under duress. Next time just call him. Just give a signal. Got a slick back today. Crazy. Alright. I'm gonna be out here. Zoom gang. Mods. Signals. Chat. Love and wisdom to you all. Hey, if you're going for a funded account, skip the damn challenge. Go straight into a funded account. Top one trader. Oh, by the way, if you're getting a challenge account, they're doing 52.5% off, which means if you add 5% with code WIX, that's 57.5% off a challenge account. That's if you're going to do that. Other than that, go get an instant funded account and lock in with us for the beginning of the year. Make sure you're ready to go on January 2nd. All right. Okay, gang. Signal channel. I'll see you guys in about 20 minutes. Hopefully something will set up for us. Oh yeah, if you're not part of the Signal channel, go join. Links are right there. Thank you, Jay. Go join our Discord also. That's free. So a lot of conversations happen in the Discord and a lot of good traders in there. So join the Discord. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our last trading day of 2024. Okay? All right, let's get the outro going. And gang, just like that, another New York session is in the books. All right. See you tomorrow, everybody. Congrats. Signal channel, lock in. We might have another trade here for the hourly close. Later. Enjoy your day.